welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting up this diamond painting. It's pretty big from Tinmi Arts. So this diamond painting has, it looks like 30 colors. There are actually 3 ABs on this. So Tinmi Arts is if you want to get a pretty good quality diamond painting. Sometimes with ABs, it's not all the time that they have ABs. Tinmi Arts is a nice, what's it called? Budget-friendly place to get some diamond paintings. So yeah, this is the lovely diamond painting. So I am going to use a Harbor Freight container. This is actually my last one that I have that's not currently being used. Everything else is either I haven't finished the diamond painting or I need to dekit it. There are only 24 containers in this one. I don't have any more extras to add 3 more, so because they're all being used. So yep, I'm just gonna have the 24, and then the last 6, yeah, there's 30, I'm gonna put into this container, which I like to use because it can just get put into the Harbor Freight container and still close. So yep. So yeah, I do have my thumbnail and my logbook entry in there. So I am going to kit this up in a time lapse, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, I'm done with the kitting up. I did have to go in and use this, but what was great is they all fit into just 3. So now, even though, what's it called, these do have separate containers, they are still in separate, like, containers. So I don't have to, I won't accidentally put it back in the wrong one, hopefully. I was not able to fit this bag into here, but I did put it off to the side there. So then, yep, now this is ready to diamond paint. This is what I put into my diamond painting journal. And this is the thumbnail I also put in the diamond painting journal. So, yep, there you go. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.